Hey there, so welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back up in this thing, y'all. So I came to y'all with a bomb look. So it's supposed to be like an up close look, and it absolutely turned out good. But the absolute part, I'm gonna have to throw it away because what messed up was this green, y'all. That just messed the look up, like, and I just feel like I rushed, but overall, it did come out so good. Some of y'all probably like, girl, shut up. It came out really good. And cracked like in here. A little bit right here. This video is going to be featuring Hiwigs. The only thing I'm going to say about these companies is y'all need some good lace. Like transparent lace or the new HD lace. Overall, the wig and the hair is absolutely bomb. My mom, like the curly texture wigs are really good. With the right products, it definitely will have the wig looking bomb and put moisture back into the wig. I don't think it's supposed to be like a deep curl. It's supposed to be like one of those loose curls. So I really like the texture, and I love that big curly or big wavy vibe. Don't forget to go check them out. This video is definitely sponsored by Hiwigs. If y'all want to see how I achieve this whole beat down, then keep on watching. So up close and personal, I really want y'all to see what I am doing. So that's why my head look like an egg. Start for my eyebrows first. So we're gonna do start to finish. It was go ahead and wet in my brows. Even though they don't look like they need to be arched, it's still some areas that I seen that I need to pluck. I want it to be like really clean. I should be good. What I was trying to say is I really hate that concealing over eyebrow hair. It's like, even if it's the littlest hairs, like I hate that. Sometimes you can't see it, but listen, I don't want it there, so you might as well get the fuck on. I'm gonna take some brow gel, y'all, to basically set my brows to where they don't move. I'm also gonna take some lash glue as well, so that I can set these brows in place. So it's only glue, y'all. It's not gonna hurt. It's drying. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It's an instant long term lip pumper, y'all, and I'm going to just put this on my lips. Take my Anastasia loose powder. This is in the shade Banana. I'm going to put this on my brows, get off on the back of my hand because it'd just be too much. I could actually go in with the pencil right now, but I just choose to because I don't know, sometimes brows be looking real shiny, so I don't want that. So basically, to take the shine away from the brow, this is my CoverGirl, y'all. I'm gonna use my CoverGirl, definitely part of PR, soft brown at the ends, and then I'm gonna go in with my pencil by MAC in the shade Strut. Definitely like the CoverGirl pencils because they remind me of the top brow. Really thin and precise. Makeup cannot be natural. I don't know. This is, my skin is not, that's natural. Makeup can't be natural to me. Fucking makeup. The end part, and now I'm gonna fill in the front, but I'm gonna fill in the front with MAC Struts. It's like a more, what can I call this? Let me swatch it. Lighter brown. That's how it looks. Use to clean up the brows is I use my Zoeva 142 Concealer Buffer Brush, and then what I went in with to conceal the brows is my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC 45. What I use to conceal is my MAC 212. Here, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see it, but right here we have Hiwigs Makeup Academy. That's all I was waiting on. Remember, I kept telling y'all in all my tutorials that Calumet is about to come out with some more shades for the P. Louise range and the bases. And finally, we have the shades. I thought, and I went in the store like, okay, this is weird because Calumet was supposed to be on this, was supposed to be like P. Louise times Calumet, and I was like, where's her name at? Like, where is it actually? So this is the back of it. So it actually is in collaboration with Taylor May Jane, y'all. They have the whole collection. This is the best base ever, y'all. I don't even use concealer anymore, so this is all I use. If y'all ask me anything about how I make my eyeshadow pop, this is what I use. So you got the white, so from 0 to 11. So they actually added, so the last shade was 5. I used 5, so I'm about to use 5 and 6 because 6 is more like a skin tone, like my foundation tone, and I'm going with 6, but it still will make the colors pop. Number 6. So you see how close to my skin tone is? That fleshy skin tone at the top, and I don't like it to look too white. I know y'all see my first review when I reviewed the P. Louise base, and they didn't have any shades other than, I think the highest shade that they went up to was, I think, 3 or 4. I don't even think they had a 5. They might not even had a 4, but I had used 2, base number 2, and like it was like white, and I actually concealed my brows with that. Like it just wasn't my skin tone. So I'm so glad that Taylor made a creation to where it's a deeper complexion, but the eyeshadow will still pop. MAC 195 brush. I'm just gonna take this and basically put this on in person, but in order for I want my shadows to pop, I'm gonna use 5. Onto my Warriors palette because we are going to go into this black, y'all. Brush. This is a random brush, and I'm just going to pack this black. I'm gonna go in that shape. In the shape of a cut, y'all. With this black. So I'm gonna take this all the way in the front. Take it all the way out there because my cuts to be long. For one brush, Warriors 2 palette by Juvia's Place, the same one I use on the black. And I'm gonna take this brown, that brown, on top of that black. Tapping that brown on top of that black. My Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I am about to grab this shade. Oh, let me do this one. A bit low. I'm not going all the way up. Also went in like a blender. Like a blender mix. I'm trying to stay low as possible. I'm not trying to go like all the way in my brow bone. Everything is gonna mix together. This one shade along with us. So I took 3 shades. So I am going to add a little color to it, just halfway. So in here, and then I'm gonna cut it again, and then we're gonna add some more shades. I'm just gonna set it just like that with this, and then kind of blend it out. So I should go palette and grab this shade right here. I think I'm gonna do 420 foundation. This eye would have been perfect. Y'all, it's cracking like right there. So it was say. So this is Morphe's True Story Sand, a little bit of sand. Lip combo that I use, y'all, and I use Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Luna, and then in the middle as well I used Diamond Milk from Fenty, and then on the outer V areas of the lip I used Over the Top Dose of Colors Desi Times Katie collection, y'all. I'll put my wig on, and then I'll meet you guys back when I put that on. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to click that bell button right next to the subscribe button because I know y'all gonna subscribe. Don't forget to go check out how wigs before y'all leave this video, so to see this bomb curly wig. I'll see you guys on the next video.